taking action investigation.
The state attorney general's office is reversing its position on the Waverly 2 and efforts to overturn their convictions.
8 News investigator Carrie O'Brien has been on this story since the very beginning. She joins us live now in the Digital Center with this latest twist. Carrie, good evening.
Good evening, Eric and Deanna, and that's right. The state has reversed course, a new administration and a new position. Attorney General Jason Miyares says his office will no longer support the Waverly 2 in their petition for innocence. It's a curveball for the two men, and some are questioning how the new AG's office could have possibly had the time to fully review this case. Just a month into office and about 3 weeks after Republican Attorney General Jason Miyares fired every attorney working the Waverly 2 case, the AG says the Commonwealth is asking the Virginia Court of Appeals to dismiss or deny the petition for writ of actual innocence. Jared Adams, attorney for the two men, Terrence Richardson and Ferron Claiborne, calls it politics in play, and he suspects a cover-up.
This is about someone's effort to bury the truth about what happened to Officer Gibson.
Richardson and Claiborne were found not guilty of the murder of Waverly Police Officer Alan Gibson back in 1998, but they were later sentenced to life behind bars in a rare turn of events. They have always maintained their innocence.
Why would a candidate who ran on Law and Order not want to be absolutely positive that they got the right people?
Last year, the Waverly 2 asked the Virginia Court of Appeals to hear their case. And in November, Attorney General Mark Herring, a Democrat, filed a 78-page brief in support of Richardson's innocence. An attorney reviewing the case under Herring is on the record saying it contained thousands of pages with evidence spanning over decades.
There's no way in the world that this office came in and within 30, 45 days, they've made it through almost 10,000 pages of documents that I know exist because I've went through each and every page.
8 News requested an interview with the AG's office. Instead, we were given this statement saying the Office of the Attorney General calls balls and strikes and makes decisions guided by the rule of law. They went on to say the case was carefully reviewed by an internal working group with over 76 years of combined prosecution experience. As of right now, the Virginia Court of Appeals is still set to hear oral arguments in the case on February 22nd. In the Digital Center, Carrie O'Brien, 8 News.